Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. My name's Patrick. I'm with a company called, we're an ingredient materials developer and glove manufacturer, and we just developed brand new coating material for our safety work gloves.
Oh, okay.
And we're looking to partner with more distributors, suppliers that would carry our line. Would you be interested in reviewing our newest glove? It'll only take a minute.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, I buy for just a piece of the United States. Can you send me a pamphlet or something, and I can send it on to everybody else so we can all look at it?
Okay. Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, of course. But that's great that you buy a piece of the U.S. I mean, that's a good start. So just real quick, it's a glove similar to MaxiFlex in durability,
Oh,
but
okay.
but with a tackier grip for better handling. And our glove features antibacterial fabric, a skin-safe coating, reinforced knit to prevent leakage, and it does have touchscreen compatibility.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What brand of? I'm sorry.
I know that there's one customer. I'm out of Oklahoma City, and we're trying to take the glove business for that section. So yeah, we're definitely always looking for different and better gloves.
Okay, great. Do you know? So here in Oklahoma, do you know what brand of coated gloves do you currently carry?
We do a lot of. There's several, but we buy from.
You said.
I think they're called something different now.
What was the other one? Yeah, familiar with those.
Yeah, because I think that's where we got the MaxiFlex from.
So you carry MaxiFlex? Okay. You see different. Okay.
Yeah, in some different locations. Yeah.
What about?
Yeah, we buy.
Okay. You buy.
No, yeah. Let me look up what's listed as safety, because I know there's a lot more than that.
And then it's you said. Do you think it's called something?
I think it's like it's on an invoice I got. Gloves. I think we buy from them.
You said, what are they called?
Gloves.
Okay.
They're a mix, but I think we buy mostly glasses and things from them.
What do you buy other things from besides gloves? You said.
I think mostly gloves from them.
Okay. Okay.
That's pretty much it. Is.
Okay. And the MaxiFlex, like you said, you're probably buying them from. Okay.
Yeah.
That's great because we can offer full back end support for your inside and outside sales to make sure you succeed with our gloves. And you're right.
Yes.
Okay. So we're here in and so everything it can be retail ready and hand tagged with a 1-day ship lead time from our headquarters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we manufacture our coated gloves on site. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so just like I said, if you oversee, correct, a territory? Is that your piece?
We used to be. That's just where I'm housed. We used to do like locational, but we've just recently spread out vendors. We all have our own vendors through the United States, but we're all over the place.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because what we want to do is we want to send you over some samples, some free samples. So
okay, yeah.
So what we do is that we just do like a quick Zoom call with my operations manager, and then then he can explain a little more in detail about it, and then after the call he can provide you some free samples.
Okay. Could I request a date on that? Because I'd like for the branch manager to sit on it too, so he's more of the customer service side of it, so he knows what people need.
Yeah. So what day and time will be good coming up? Include him.
Can we do Tuesday?
Yes, Tuesday the 29th?
Yes.
And then, so you Christian time, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so can we do, how is 1:30?
Perfect. I'll make sure he's available.
Okay, and then, your email, and then we can send out a calendar invite, of course we're going to send you the link in the calendar invite for the Zoom, so for your email?
Is at .com.
So is that at .com?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at .com.
Yes, sir.
And then, and what is your title with the company?
Purchasing agent.
Purchasing agent. Do you want us to send you the calendar invite to your colleague?
I want to just fair warn him first, and then yeah.
Okay, cool. Most definitely. That's great. And then just before I let you go, I think you included you told me what brand of coated gloves you buy from and MaxiFlex and everything. So do you know any idea how much volume you currently see from your gloves? Like any like from one of those vendors, like what you see in a year? Any idea?
Oh, I wouldn't have a clue because we're so widespread out. There's about 20 purchasers company-wide because we're technically but we're under the umbrella, so we're supply also.
Okay. So you're just spread across the U.S. then.
All over, yeah.
Okay, so it's hard to tell the volume, right? Okay. Understandable.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. I'll definitely and you can probably talk to a little more about it. So I'll spread, I'll put it's a lot. How about that?
Okay.
So, okay. All right.
I'll do some homework and be ready before Tuesday. So
yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
get you some numbers.
Yeah. Numbers for Tuesday. That'd be cool. And then, so obviously, you'd be looking to distribute the gloves. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right, great. So look for the calendar invite and link for the Zoom for the 29th at 1:30.
Sounds perfect.
All right. Have a nice weekend coming up.
Thank you. You as well.
All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.